warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Hiranya Cintami Yanagata. I want to explain my learning implementation plan, which is the procedural text. My material is so simple. Let's get to the point because we don't have much time, and let's just cut to the chase. We will learn about identify the elements of procedural text in various genres such as steps, tools and materials, and instruction for use, and analyze the structure of procedural text in various genres such as sequences, logical, and use of imperative verbs. Procedural text is any text that gives you instruction on how to do something. It has to be more of a step-by-step format, direct and to the point. Simple English, procedural text appear in a range of context, example cookbooks, manuals, websites. Procedural text structure. The first title provides a general description of what will be described in the text, and then go state what is to be achieved or generated through the procedure. After that, materials and tools. List what is required to follow the procedure. The last steps. Describe the steps of actions to take in detail and clearly. And then characteristics of the text procedure. Number 1, imperative sentences. Use common imperative sentences to show steps. Secondly, sequential connective. Using a conjunction to denote a sequence such as first, next, later, etc. And number 3, action verb. Using language that is communicative and easy to understand. And then it is sometimes accompanied by illustrations or drawings to clarify the steps. Then here's an example how to make brownie cakes. Objective: produce soft, delicious brownies. Ingredients and tools: wheat, flour, eggs, butter, cocoa powder, sugar, etc. Steps: the first, preheat the oven and prepare a pan. Secondly, melt butter and cocoa powder in a pot, and then whisk eggs and sugar until they expand. After that, put in flour and stir until evenly mixed. The last, pour the dough into a pan and bake for 30 minutes. You can take notes and practice them at home, optional. And then tips for writing effective procedural text. Number 1, clarify and precision. Ensure each step is clear and unambiguous. Number 2, logical order. Arrange the step in a logical sequence. Number 3, conciseness. Keep instruction concise and to the point. Number 4, visual aids. Use diagrams, image, or videos if they help clarify the steps. Number 5, consistency. Use consistent terminology and measurement units. Next up is example video how to make brownie cake. Check it out.
This time I want you like it's magnetic. Super equilibrium. You like it's magnetic. Super equilibrium.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, Sampurasur, annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa. I'm Hiranya Cintami Yanagata. I will explain the procedure text. We will learn about identify the elements of procedural text in various genres such as sequences, logical, and use of imperative verbs. What is a procedural text? A procedural text, also known as an instructional or process text, is a type of writing designed to explain the steps needed to complete an task or achieve a goal. It is commonly found in recipes, manuals, guides, and scientific experiments. Structure of procedural text. The first, title or goal, states what is to be achieved or made. Secondly, materials or ingredients, list the items needed to complete the procedure. And then steps or method, provide a series of instructions or steps to follow. And the last, conclusion, offers additional advice or tips or states the expected outcome. Language features of procedural text. The first, imperative sentences, direct commands, example, mix the flour and water. Secondly, sequential, connective, words indicating the order of steps, example, first, next, then, finally. And then action verbs, specific verbs that describe action, example, cut, mix, boil. After that, the present tense, usually written in the present tense. The last, detailed description, clear and specific details about each step. The last example of procedural text, that is how to make balloon